Hello everyone. So can you hear me? Let me know please, and we will start today new stream. Yes, as always, this is perfect stream. So I just waiting the comments, and after that I will start to explain what we gonna do today. Just few seconds. Let me, I'll write something. Can you hear me? Okay, just a few seconds, because it's still it's already the time. Okay, yes, thank you, awesome. And let me explain what we're gonna do today. So this is last stream on this year. So the year it's already under the finish. So 2019, it's the we have like few days, only 3 days to the finish. Yeah, thank you for your answer about the connection. Okay, so what we're gonna do today, I will show you one big project. It's not big project, I can say this is final project. I will show you some tips and tricks what I'm using, for example, for everyday working in my company, in my own life, when I'm working with Revit, I mean. Okay, and on the last of the stream, I think I will give you the free access for my Udemy tutorials, Dynamo for beginners, as you already know. If you joined my previous stream, I give it to you on the previous stream, free access key to my course. So, as you understand, this will be your New Year gift. Christmas gift, New Year gift, so I have only one gift for you guys. Okay, so, and we're gonna start now with this project. I'll just explain, I'll just cover some main topics about the project. I'll show you some interesting ideas and what you should follow in your future projects in Revit. This is a real commercial project, so it means the customer paid for this project. So after that, you will understand for what your customer, for what your client really want to pay. So it's not just 3D model, it's model with information. That's why building information model. That's it, I think. So this is like quick introducing of this stream. I hope you will join it. I hope you will get fun for that, because this is last stream of this year. Don't be so serious. Today we trying to get like New Year mood. So if you have some questions, don't forget, guys, if you have questions, leave under the comments and I will try immediately to reply. Okay, so let's get started and let's see what the project we have right now. So the first, I will go to the 3D and I will show you like the model. We will start from the model, of course. So what we can do, I will hide some things what I don't need. I will just hide it. And I think most of you know this project. I did it like a few months ago, maybe like 9 months ago I did it. Yeah, it's around year I did this project, I finished it, and this is already finished. I mean, it's already constructed. And maybe if you live in Canada, you can see this project every day. Anyway, here is the project. As you can see, it's already done in Revit, all details done in Revit. I didn't use any import families. So, and the first rule, first tips and tricks, let's say, don't upload the families from the internet. Okay, let's say like that. If you have the chance to create it by yourself, the family, don't download it. Okay, so the reason is because when you download families from the internet, you have a lot of the parameters which you cannot control. This is the problem. When you create your own one, you know this family at all. For example, this really simple chair, as you can see, and this family doesn't have any parameters. But let's see what we have inside. We have the BIM object, so this is family from the internet. For example, these two parameters I don't need it, but we have it. If we will go here, we have like a lot of the parameters in the general. Under the other, we have the like thousands parameters. Let's see. Do you understand what this means? BOC green. I just can guess this is part of this chair, some element, but this is only guess. So this is problem because you cannot control it. You just simply understand what is that, but you cannot use these parameters, for example, to using it in schedules. This is the problem. So better if you will create some family like this chair. Don't try make it really a realistic one. Just make only the shape, the close with the real model. That's it. Your client paying for you not for the modeling. Your client paying for you for information of this model. That's it. Okay, this is what about the families. The same things about the trees. Guys, the Revit, it's not 3D 3D place like 3ds_Max or like Cinema 4D. Revit is only about architecture. Don't use it real. I saw some guys when placing the real trees from 3ds_Max. Don't do that. Just simple trees. That's it. Because the Revit only about only information. Let's say this tree can have a lot of much more information than you will try to put here the real tree. Why? Because we have the parameters. You can write inside the parameters any type of you want. For example, some cost of this tree, you can write here, for example, how much it's cost, or you can find it here, where you can buy it, some website address, and everything what you want, even the mark if you want. Okay, this is just simple thing we covered, and let's go see and some plans, because I think like an architect you prefer see the plans. So here's the plans. As you can see here, we have not a lot of the dimensions. I know some. I make project with the Revit in Russia. Yes, okay. So, okay, let me know. Okay, so I'm talking about dimensions. Don't put a lot of the dimensions. If you are an architect, you know that, because if you have a lot of the dimensions, it's unreadable. The same thing in Revit. You have how to say, here you have everywhere the real dimension. This is not AutoCAD when you should show all dimensions, because the AutoCAD, this is only 2D drawings. In Revit you should show only the sum of that, because in one day when, for example, your client or someone else will say, okay, I don't need this dimension, please give me up this dimension from this one to that side. You will do that, because, for example, I have dimensions and I'll just delete this type, and as you can see, I get the dimensions. Well, I understand, for example, in AutoCAD you will spend a bit more time. If you have the 1,000 of these dimensions, you will spend a lot of the time. So make your drawings clear. How you will draw it for example, by hand, do the same in Revit. Everything should be clear, because when you have a lot of the things on one paper, this is unreadable. So make the equal Revit equal hand draw. Okay, so if you will you will draw by hand, for example, much clearer, in Revit try to do the same thing, because your client should really fast understand what's going on this plan. You are professional. Show to your client you are professional. So clear, it doesn't mean you didn't do nothing. Don't forget about that. I will go to some of the list, and I'll show you some of the sheets how it looks like for the client. For example, let's go to the some section, because everyone like the section. As you can see, this is clear section. I don't have a lot of the parameters, for example, for the heights, how the people likes to do. I just have the square meters of my rooms. Even I don't use any colors, as you can see. And here you will find only some simple construction things. Don't try cover everything. Just make it simple. Don't forget about the legend, because the legend it's really matter. We should understand what the type of the line and what is that line. And don't forget about, of course, what the company to do that. As you can see, don't try put here the real car. High poly car. Once you will load up inside to the Revit high poly car, you never will get such a clear drawing like you see right now. But this is not the car, this is only hatching. Sometimes, yes, in Revit you can use some hatching to create, for example, some graphics like you see right now. Because it's more clear and more understandable than if I will use some, I will show you. Here I cannot see. I will go to the 3D and I will show you here. I have 3D car, but can you see how many lines I have of this car? So this is unclear. When I will see this car, for example, on the right, on the some side, I will see a lot of the black, really thickness line. So this will be unreadable for the client. Don't do that. I will go back. I will reset my view, and as you can see, I'm using some part of the graphics everywhere. For example, the ground, here you will see I'm using the hatching for this ground, actually the region, but if you are working in AutoCAD or ArchiCAD, this calling the hatching. Anyway, I'm using this a lot, but I'm using that only on my list. As you can see, this view going to the list, and only this view have this hatching. Don't use it everywhere. Only where that view what you will put on the list. That's it. Okay, so here some sample of this section. Let's go back to, for example, to the sites. Maybe where is my site isometric view, site plan, and project data. So you will see the site plan. You are an architect, so you know that site plan should be always oriented on the real north. So don't forget about that. Just orient on the real north and put your project on the list. Here you should have only some few data about your area, about some main roads, or maybe some location where your building will be. Don't put all the buildings around this site. You don't need that, because I'm the client. I don't care about the buildings around. I wanna see what you did. I wanna see for what I'm paying, not for the buildings around. So just concentrate on that. Of course, you should make around. You should show where is the boundary of my area. As you can see, maybe better to use the boundary red one. I mean the color. But now I just prefer using the minimalistic, and that's why I'm using the black line. Anyway, I prefer really use the red one of this boundary line. Anyway, this is up to you. As you like to do that, do it. As you can see, I'm using the two different system of the measurement. I'm using the imperial and metrics, because the client actually using the imperial system, but I prefer use to metric system, because actually I'm from the Europe, and that's why for me it's more close to using the metric system. Anyway, the client using imperial. That's why I'm using two type of the dimension system. This is again up to you and up your client, because maybe your client don't using imperial system, so don't duplicate it. But for me, to easily understand what client means, I'm using everywhere duplicating it. And this is automatically, as you can see. This not my this not the text. This is automatically one. So if you are interested in how to do the, for example, two types of the dimension, you can find the video on my channel. I did it like maybe a few months ago, how you can manipulate with dimensions in Revit. Give me a second, I will get my tea. Okay, this is what about the site. Actually, this project it's not so big, but this is interesting project to understand how to create and what you will get in Revit. So let's go to the building envelope. Here is some detail of the building. As you can see, here is the basement floor with electrical. Here is some small information about electrical, as you can see. Nothing special. Actually, I'm not engineer, I'm not supply engineer, and these electrical things, it's not my work, it's work from my colleagues. I don't try to make everything in your project. If you are not engineer, you never will understand how engineer workings. You just understand the only top of the site, but you cannot go deeper if you're an architect. If you're an engineer, you not understand why architects doing this shit. It's like this. Here is the, as you can see, electrical. Here is the roof, everything. Let's go to the exterior finish. As you can see, exterior finish is really interesting things. Here just showing some main things to fast calculate how many the materials I have. Yes, we have here the schedules. Yes, I calculate already how many materials I'm using on this project. But sometimes, for example, your client want to understand only for this site how many materials we will use. If you will put here some small dimensions, I mean some dimensions, you will fast understand how many materials you will spend. This is again only between you and client. Let's go here, for example, to the kitchen details. You will see how the kitchen details main one. The kitchen details is also really easy. You just showing how it will be looks like your kitchen, the opening of doors of your kitchen, and that's it. Don't put again a lot of the information. Just some of the information you will detail here. As you can see, we have kitchen details really close enough with details. But if you will go to the elevation, for example, to our kitchen, you not will see these details, because we have it here. Don't duplicate it. Family room, fireplace, and as you can see here, it's already some 3D renders. It's not 3D renders, we can say this is like sketch 3D from the Revit, and will be enough. This will be enough because we are trying to making the realistic renders. Because if you will see, you will meet with your client, if you will show him, like for example, will be your meeting area, I mean the meeting family room, he will understand where will be the TV, for example, where will be the shell. For him this is enough. If he wants get the realistic render, he should pay for that. First thing. The second thing, you should spend more time for that. And the 3D renders, it's not it not will show the more information like these drawings, because these drawings you can immediately calculate. You can, for example, measure it, but 3D renders you cannot do that. Yes, looks really nice, but it doesn't give to your client a lot of the information. This is the problem. So let's go to for example, some other renders. As you can see, here is not renders, here is some measures. As you can see, here is details of that. For example, you showing to your clients first these sketches, and after that you showing for your client detail of these renders. It's really nice, because he will understand, the TV should be 70 inch, not less than 70 inch. Okay, I should buy, this is Sony 70 inch, and I should spend, for example, like $3,000 for this TV. So that's it. He already understand how much he should spend, and what he can buy, for example. So let's go to some laundry, for example. Again, laundry perspective, you will see now 3D. So as you can see, I really like that. And here we get layouts and detail. Just duplicate it. First your 3D, second your detail, and will be so informative. And I have here a lot of the things, as you can see. It's not so complicated. And I can say one thing. On the end of the stream, I will give you this project. I will give you all this project. I mean, what I did for free. I will share with you by these links. I will send you, like, in few, maybe in 20 minutes. I will send you this link. The one thing. Let's look on this project. As you can see now, this project have this icon here, and we cannot save it. Why? I already told you, when we have this icon, it means we're working in local model. Now I'm working in the sharing mode. So this means like we are working like teamwork. So if I will, for example, open give me a second. Where's that? I cannot find it. Give me a second. Workstation. I need open up the working monitor. Just give me a second. It's opening. Just give me a second, and I will show you. This is taking time. It's here. And as you can see, work sharing monitor will help you understand how you're working now with your central file, so in sharing mode. As you can see, the red color, it's not just because we are like the red color. No, the red color, it means this is wrong. You are working now in central model. We cannot working in central model. Don't work in central model, because if, for example, some of my colleagues now want change something inside my model, he not will change it, because all the model now, I'm owner of this model. This is the problem. He cannot do anything with this model. So how we can solve this problem? First, we need synchronize. I will synchronize. After that, don't forget, we should open our borrowed elements, because some elements now under the me, but my, for example, colleagues want change something, and he should have how to say, he should change it, because he cannot change it because I am owner of this model. So we already synchronize. After that, we should close the model. Don't forget, you should close the model. After that, you should open it, but how you will open it? Select your model. After that, be careful, this is model, we creating the new local. Under the work sharing, you will find the create new local. Let's open up. We already opened our model. Let's see what work sharing monitor will say to us. Okay, ignore. And as you can see, it's not red color right now, because it means we are working right. We don't have any problems now if, for example, our colleagues will join us in this model, and we can synchronize without any problem for both of us. For example, if I will start now synchronize, I will start synchronize. As you can see, the work sharing will show us. So this guy now synchronize. I will do it one more time. I will show you one more time. As you can see, it's showing us we are synchronizing right now. It really will help you. Just be careful with that. If you see he has red color, just fast close your project and open up, like I showed you already just a few seconds before. Before you will open your Revit, I really recommend you open first work sharing monitor. Because work sharing monitor is not only about your project, it's also about your system. You will see inside what's going on with your PC, for example. For example, maybe you will open some big model, and here you will see where you have the problem. For example, with the memory, with the physical memory, maybe you will have some problem with the network. You will see here some problems. So use it and you will understand where is the weakness of your system. Maybe you should change your PC because your PC is really so slow. Maybe your network is really bad and you're using, I don't know, like a phone network, and this really bad one. Okay, so this one I think you understand. Let's go back to the project. I will go to the 3D again, and here you can see here is the project. I will delete some links, because here I have some AutoCAD links. I think you don't need it, because now I will give you this project and I will synchronize it. So what I can do if I want to share with you with this project. For example, this project is for the collaboration. So this is a sharing project. We will transfer it now to the local one. How we can do that? I will show you right now. Just give you a second. Let's close this project. Again, let's open up it. Let's select this project and we wanna detach it. So detach, it means we will borrow it and we will not touch this original one. We will create new one, it means. So we want to create new one. And now Revit asking us, do you want leave the work sets or you wanna discard it? So if you will detach and discard it, you will get the local model. So this is what we want. I want to get the local model. So let's get the local model. Just a few seconds. Actually, if you have really big project, it not will take few seconds. I will tell you true. It will take more than few minutes, maybe more than half an hour. Sometimes it's happen. Just give me a second. Okay, here is my project. Now we are inside the project, and as you can see, now we cannot synchronize. This is mean now we are in local project. So this is what I want. Let's save this project, because this project now inside in virtual memory of your PC. I will leave like detach. Let's say this is. Let's say this is my gift, and I will say this is only one backup I want to create. I will save it right now, and now I will upload it to the media file to share with you guys. Because I knew this is new year, you want some gifts, everyone want gifts, maybe I want to, who knows. Just give me a second. I will upload it and I will share with you with links. So here is the links. Just give me a second. Where is the how I can share with you? Oh, I know. Just give me a second. It's uploading. Let me see. Here is, and I want share with you. Where is that? Oh, it's taking the time. Here the link. So now you can download it. Just give me a few seconds. It's still uploading to the media file, and after that you will able to download it. Just like in 2 minutes you will able to download this project. So use this project. This is commercial free project, but please, if you will post it somewhere, just leave some link to my channel, or just leave who did this project, because I know you will say, I know some people, I mean, they will say like they did it, but it's not true. So just give me a second. It's already under the finish. I will open my Revit project again. So this is my first gift. Actually, this is big gift for you guys. I hope you will use it for your own project. As you can see, it's still uploading. We'll just a few seconds more. Done. So now you can download it. So done. So use it, guys, and enjoy it. I hope you will use it somewhere and you will learn somewhere. Something you will learn from this project. Okay, just please, if someone will download this project right now, leave some comments about everything working or no. Maybe the link is broken. I'm not sure about that, but anyway, leave some comments about that. Okay. Okay, we are back to my project, as you can see. Actually here I cannot say any special things. We can go to the some schedules, and I will show you the some schedules. I don't have here a lot of the schedules because this is only the concept part of this building, and I have only the some schedules, not main one. Only about the material, only about the structure, and some main thing like doors, like the windows, and that's it. So I'm not trying to get the cost of that, because the client will do that, and here interesting to do that. So that's why I'm not spending my time to calculate it. So don't forget, you can make only the thing where you are special, like where you're the professional. Don't do everything, even if it's really big money. As you can see, here is some window schedule, like my client will understand how many types of the windows I have, and the size of these windows, and the type of the windows, like fixed one or the hopper one, and other things. You will see it here. For example, we have here some legends. The legends, it means, for example, I did, as you can see, here is my mistake. Here the text, I cannot see my text. So yeah, sometimes I have these problems. So be careful with that. Maybe you will fix it up. Just fix it up, because this is unreadable right now. But anyway. Okay, this is one of my gift, and the second one. Did you remember at the last on the last my stream, I give it to you the access to my course on Udemy. So today I will give you the access again. So I will hope you will use it and you will join it. Just give me a second. I will show you what the course of that. Let's go to the Udemy. Udemy.com, and I will go you the access of that. Okay, here is the Udemy, as you can see, and we will write here Dynamo. And you will see it under the top one. Here is my course of the Udemy, and I will give you now access of that course. I hope you will use it, but only 3 days, guys. I'm sorry, I cannot give you more than 3 days. Anyway, I think 3 days it's enough to learn everything what you want. So I will give you, just give me a second. I will give you the key of that. Okay, here is the key. Just give me a second. Under my group. Give me a second. Just a few seconds. Okay, here is the link. And here is the access key. Use it. You have only 3 days for that to get it for free. Don't forget, because after 3 days you cannot activate it and you cannot use it. Okay, just be careful with that. So, and also please, someone, can you try it? Is it working or no? As you can see under my chat, I already posted. So here is my chat, as you can see. And I already posted here the access key and the link where you can activate it. So use it and enjoy it. I think this is nice gift for the new year, because the nice thing what you can get in new year, it's only knowledge. I think you're thinking like me right now. Okay. So guys, any questions? Because today it's just New Year stream without any special topic. And any special articles. I just wanna share with you some gifts, and that's it. Because who watching my stream, that people really like my content, and that's why I'm trying to share with you as much as I can. Even if I will lose some money, but doesn't matter about that, because you are my best viewers on YouTube. Just drinking a tea. So try please the key and let me know below the comment. About Dynamo, what you will get. Actually, this course, it's about only the basic things. As you can see here, you will get the knowledge about how the nodes working in Dynamo, in Revit Dynamo. You will understand how to create, for example, some simple MEP methods in Dynamo, and under the end you will able to manipulate with the points and lines in Dynamo. So this is main things in Dynamo, because without understandable of these basic things, you not will understand how, for example, manipulate with some families in Dynamo, how, for example, to create something in Dynamo. First, start from the points and lines. This is the basic one. So after that, you will able, for example, to create something more interesting, more hard one, without any help, because without basic things you cannot create your own things, right? So this is like a Revit. If you don't know how to draw in Revit with modified tools, you never will understand how working, for example, the architecture ribbon menu. Because everything what we have here, for example, I will show you, just give me a second. Everything what we have here, for example, the wall, also they have modify menu. So if you don't understand how modify working, you not will understand for how to create wall. Even the wall, yes, you will laugh, but this is it true. Okay, the same thing with Dynamo. Use it, join it, and yes, don't forget to like this video, because I know this is hard for you, really, guys. But if you can hit this like button, I will be really happy. So, any questions? Because this is stream only about the New Year and gifts, I'm waiting some questions. If you don't have any questions, we will finish this stream today. So really fast stream. Anyway, I hope it's really useful one. Pantry room. Oh, this is my mistake here of this pantry. Where is my family room? Mud room. Yeah, use it. I hope it really will help you understand how the working, how the project looks like in Revit. So, but don't try to sold out this project because this project is already sold out. Okay. Anyway, if you will sold this project for some big money, don't forget to share with me, like maybe 5%, maybe 10% of full of the of you what you will get. Okay. Okay. So okay, guys. I will ask the one question for you. So this is question for you guys right now. What you waiting for on the next year? I mean, what you want get from me on the next year? Maybe some special projects, maybe some special gifts, maybe some special course. Leave the comments about that, and I will try in the next year to do that. I know this is really hard, but just leave me the ideas and I will try to share with you in the next years. Can my question be out of the Steam project? Model. Can you help with the how to model stair? Okay, about the stair first. I have already the tutorial about the stairs. I have the different stairs in Revit. I mean the courses on my channel. Try to find it. If you not will find the tutorial, leave the comment below, and I will try to answer you by link as fast as I can. Okay, let's do like that. Because if I will try to find it now, I have like more than 300 videos. I will spend really a lot of the time. Can my question be out this stream project, please? Okay, oh, I really, the solution, I really not understand what you mean. Can you please ask it again, because I really not understand what you mean. Ali, hi Nicole, where should I add the code? Okay, so you just go to the Dynamo, you just add the card, go inside to the and try to buy it, but don't buy it, go to the card. As you can see, you already have the access key. Just write here your access key, apply it, and you will see for free. Done. Access key you will find below the comments, or you can write it here. This is really fast. 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔, Ali, the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔, it's really hard for everyone, because for the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 you should understand Python, but not all of you understand what is that Python, because the Python it's already about the programming. This is not about the you should understand how it's working. Let me, I will show some maybe like small projects. Maybe I have some projects, because it's not about the Revit. Yeah, it's on the Russian, so just give me a second. It's taking the time. Yeah, as you can see, it's not about the Revit at all. You cannot see here is Revit. Here is already programming. So this is simple one, but anyway, this is you should spend time for the programming. That's the problem. 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔, it's not simple. It's top of the level of Dynamo, of the AP Revit. So let's the next question. Sir, share your journey to the architect from the BIM manager. Okay, my journey from the architect to the BIM manager. I will show you. Give me a second. Where is my LinkedIn? And I'll show you my journey. Just give me a second. Here is my journey of the how I became to be manager from the architect. Just give me a second. Okay, we should to know how to create a site plan. Okay, I will answer right now how to create site plan. Okay, so first I finished the Lim Kok Yung University of Creative Technology in Malaysia. I was studied there like an architect, like 3 years. After that I get like a master, but anyway I started from the Malaysia. When I was studying, I was invited like intern to the idea workshop in Malaysia. I was worked there like a few months like an intern. After that I started working in the technical R&D like an architect. Actually I draw there only toilets. That's it, but anyway this is a really nice experience. After that I becoming again architect, and I becoming like an BIM manager only few years ago, when I started working like BIM coordinator, because I changed my profession immediately from the Chapman Taylor. I'm starting to working like a BIM coordinator without any experience. Because that guy, that BIM manager, my boss, he was interesting with the fresh blood, with the people who don't know anything about the coordination, and he was teaching me how to be BIM coordinator. Once I became BIM coordinator in few years, after that in few years, I spent like few years for that. I was understand like I can be like a BIM manager. So now I'm BIM manager because I spent really a lot of the times for that. Actually, everyone can be BIM coordinator. If you are an architect and you have enough experience in architecture, if you have enough experience in Revit, you will become a BIM coordinator, and after that to the BIM manager without any problem. But you should spend time. This is the problem, only the time. So it's not something special. You cannot finish university, you cannot get knowledge from the university how to be BIM manager. So this is unworkable right now. all the BI manager, they become BI manager from themselves, not from the university. That's it. Okay, the next question. I wish to know how to create site plan. So what you want create from the I mean what you want exactly from the site plan, because actually for the site plan you should use, for example, Civil 3D. But if you want to create really professional site plan, if you want to create just simple site plan, you just can use, for example, AutoCAD. You can use, for example, Revit. Just draw it simple one, and that's it. Don't use. I don't spend really a lot of the time for the site plan. But if you have some special question about site plan, please leave the comment. Hello from Iran. Oh my god, from the Iran here, some people. I know only by Farsi, only the word Azizam. That's it. Hi, tell me about the Unreal Engine. Okay, Unreal Engine. Right now, don't spend time to understand how the Unreal Engine working. Because Unreal Engine, it's only right now for the people who getting the money from the 3D. I mean, from the renderings. If you are not a visual artist, so don't spend time right now for the Unreal Engine, because you will spend really a lot of the time for that. But if you wanna really know about Unreal Engine, I really recommend you go to the Udemy, for example, or you go to the Lynda, and you will find a lot of the tutorials about the Unreal Engine. Or if you want, for example, my tutorials, you also can go, for example, to the YouTube. Let's go to the YouTube, and you can find some my tutorials about the Unreal Engine, and maybe it will be enough for you. Just try it, maybe you will find what you want. So I will write here Nico and Unreal Engine, and you will find some tutorial from me. So here's some tutorials, maybe it will be enough for you. Try it. For example, this is last tutorials from the Unreal Engine. Okay, the next question. BIM manager, do prefer work in Canada or USA? Okay, like a BIM manager, I really prefer working in USA. Why? Because USA now, like UK, the topest one with the BIM management. So I wanna get experience there. Maybe it will be really nice, but I don't have offer. If you have offer from the USA, just let me know. We will think about it. The next question, could you make a tutorial on how to make construction plans and details, not concept, like really details? I mean, I think I said your name right. If not, let me know. I mean, you can go, you can get the link of this project, and you will see the real project with the real plan. So this is plan. As you can see, the real one, it's not just for conceptual one. Here the main floor, as you can see. Just find the link and download it, and you will see you can manipulate with all elements right here. Maybe you will see some details here, and you will understand how it's working. But yes, maybe later on I will do some tutorials with the working drawings and plan. Sorry for this sound, because everyone happy because the Merry Christmas and New Year is coming. That's why. Nico, you're always watching me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Really, guys, the best gift what you can give to me when you're watching me, and when you hit this button of the like. This is really nice. Please, where I can find the link? Okay, I will leave you again here the link. Give me a second. Okay. Just give me a second. Here the free project gift for you. Okay, here's the link. Oh, it's too much text. Give me a second. YouTube says it's too much text. Oh my god, why? What's going on? Why it's YouTube saying like that? Give me a second. Sorry guys, sorry, I just trying to copy the link. Okay, here's the link. Just click on that and you will get this project for free. This project, what you can see on my screen. You don't need to pay anything, you don't need to register anywhere, just go and download it. This is for free, really. It's not, I'm not trying to trick you. This is really for free. Because, as I said, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm your Santa Claus today. Okay, give me, I'll take the tea. Nice. So if you are just joined my stream right now, go by this link, download this project and use it for your own idea. Welcome. Okay, who really just joined me? Here is the access key. And here is the link to the Udemy to get my course. So go and get this course too. Also, maybe you will find it really useful. Who knows? Actually, I hope you will find it useful. Here the link for the course. Where do I put the code? Okay, I will show you again. You going into the Udemy. Like this, for example, you going to the Udemy, you find my course. After that, you just going to the cart or add to the cart. After that, right here your coupon here, right here. Just copy paste, apply, and you will see here free. So just try to do that, and you will get this free. Okay. Once you will finish this course, guys, please spend a bit the time to rate it, okay? Because for me it's really matter. Nico, should we use Grasshopper? Okay, Grasshopper or Dynamo. First you should know Dynamo. After that, when you will understand Dynamo, try to understand how the working Grasshopper, because Dynamo is the native programming for the Revit. So you should first know how to working with the native programs. Once you will get advanced user with Dynamo, try to switch to the Grasshopper, because Grasshopper will give you really a lot of the possibilities with different programs, not only with Revit. For example, maybe you really like AutoCAD. Guys, here, enter the coupon, it's here. Here you should enter your coupon. Okay, the next question. Apart of the Revit Navisworks, other the type of the software used the BIM. Yes, the other type of the software, AutoCAD. You should know the AutoCAD. I cannot say like advanced level, but basic level you should know it. Why? Because some people working in AutoCAD, and you should understand how it's working. You should always be on the time. For example, if it's updating, you should understand what they get new, because we are living in a world where we have a lot of the softwares, and if you want to work like a BIM manager, you should understand how the working, for example, Revit, like expert, but you also should know how the working the other type of the software. I cannot say you cannot be expert everywhere, but you should understand how it's working. So you should know AutoCAD, you should know Revit, you should know AutoCAD, you should know SketchUp, 3ds Max, Navisworks, 𝒕𝒐𝒓𝒈𝒄𝒄. If you don't know what is that 𝒕𝒐𝒓𝒈𝒄𝒄, it's that one program. It's like a Navisworks, but a bit hardest one. You should understand how the working Civil 3D. What else? Civil 3D, of course the Lumen, you should understand how it's working, Twinmotion, all these programs you should manage it. You should understand how the working BIM 360, because the BIM 360, this is main platform for the Autodesk. You should understand how it's working. See how many programs you should know, not only Revit. And there any links between Rhino? Yes, we have the links between Rhino and Revit, but you should use Grasshopper and InShine. grasshopper in shine. I think grass. I think it's inside in shine or inside. I already forgot about that. Yeah, try found in shine or inside. I forgot about that. This is the bridge between Revit and Rhino. Okay, where do I put the code? I already said where you should put the code. Add my course to the cart, go to the cart and enter your code here and apply it. I have enrolled and they didn't ask to the code. It was open for free. Okay, so nice. If it's open for free, nice. Corona, yeah, you should no, the Corona, this is only about the 3D renderings. If you are 3D artist, yeah, Corona it's nice way. V-Rails the nice thing. But I can say Corona and V-Ray the equal, because actually Corona and V-Ray now the owner of the Corona and V-Ray one company. So that's why it's equal, because the owner of this software is only one company, the house group. That's why. Like ArchiCAD and Allplan, the owner of these two programs, it's only one guy. It's I forgot the name of this company actually. Who did the Allplan? Just give me a second, I will check. Allplan BIM software. Yeah. No, I know. Name is Czech. Yes, name is Czech, owner of this program, and name is Czech, owner of the ArchiCAD. Yeah. Okay, any questions? If you don't have any questions, we will finish right now. So guys, I hope it was useful for you. I mean, the gifts, some access keys for the Udemy. I hope it really was useful. I hope you will learn something new. Don't forget to leave the comments below this video. Don't forget to leave don't forget to rate of my course on Udemy, because it will help to me create this course more and more better. Have you ever worked in Canada? No, I didn't. I never worked in Canada, but I have some project there, like a small house, like small family houses, like 2 stories only. Some clients I get from the Canada, but I never worked there. I was working in Asia. I was working in Singapore, in Malaysia, in China, in UK, in Russia. So I was worked in these countries. In Canada, no, but maybe in one day maybe I will work there. Who knows? I really want to go there, but it's really hard to get the visa. I think everyone knows that. Okay, so everyone get this course for free. So let me know please under the comments. Hello Alberta. Alberta, if you are just joined my stream, you will find the under the comments you will find the links how to download the free project and some free access key to my course. Just go there and download it. Thank you for all of you guys. I hope it will be useful for you. Okay, maybe some questions, because sometimes you're really asking a lot of the questions. Maybe I can show you something right now. You forgot my question, guys. I said, do you have some idea of the maybe you have some idea for my channel for the next year? If you have some ideas, please let me know. Okay, Rodrigo, thank you for subscribing. Really, thank you so much. This is really nice for me. Okay. Yeah, as I said, you can get this project too, just by links below the video. Okay, nice, thank you. What I can give you too, BIM manager. Maybe next year I will try to share with you some sample of the documents from the clients, because it's really important, because you should understand what the clients want from you. Maybe it will help you to understand what you should improve, which skills you should improve when you're working with the client. So I will try to share with you next year the same type of the documents, okay? So maybe it will be maybe it will be really useful. Let's see. Happy New Year too, and Merry Christmas. So I really like this stream because everyone's so kind today. Sorry guys if I'm speaking like I don't know, like drunk people or drunk man, because I'm speaking already like more than 1 hour. It's really hard to speak without the stop. Maybe a video about the mistakes and oh yeah, a video about the mistakes. Nice idea, because I have like maybe 3 pages A4 with the mistakes in Revit. Yeah, nice idea. So mistakes in Revit we will do in next year. Next year I would like to do some urban town planning using the Revit if it's possible. The solution, the problem is for the urban planning we should use the Civil 3D, but I have the people who working with the Civil 3D, and I will try ask them to create the tutorial for you guys. Okay, so let's do like that. I contact you for some question about the BIM. Okay, you can contact me about the BIM. So you can write, for example, to my Telegram group. Here is my Telegram group, or you can write to my email. Use any try of the any type of the connection what you like. So here is my group of the Dynamo, as you can see. Oh, Dynamo, sorry, of the Revit. So you can join it and you will always know about all the news in my channel. So join it and you will see it. Okay, just give me a second, I will close it up. Questions? Happy New Year. Yes, the solution, Happy New Year. Oh yeah, so first I will do the tutorial about the mistakes. The second one I will do tutorial about the about Civil 3D. After that you will simply understand how to create really the town plan in 3D, not in 3D, for BIM management. Okay. 𝒕𝒊𝒌𝒆, nice Revit. Thank you all of you guys, and I think I cannot finish because so many questions. Here is my group in Telegram. So if you want, you can join me. So I will leave you the name of my group. Telegram group. So join me if you want. Get the news first. Go there. Also I have the chat. You can ask me every time everything what you want. For example, maybe you have the questions, but guys, don't forget, not only me can answer on the questions. If you know the answer, you can answer on these questions too. So don't be shy, because we are a Revit community. We should try to help each other. If you know something, share with someone. If you don't know something, ask from someone, and we will try to help you. Hi, thanks for your tutorials. Thank you too, guys. Thank you too. This year was really nice for me because we close enough to the 30,000 people on my channel. We hit 30,000 people. I didn't believe, really. 30,000 for me, it's really a big number. As you can see, it's 28,000 and half. Thank you guys, thank you. As you can see, maybe we will hit it in few months, 30,000, but I don't think so, because I'm not so best enough in YouTube. I know that, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to share with you all my knowledge, and maybe in one day we will my channel will increase enough to be really popular, but now it's a bit not popular. Okay guys, if you just joined, as I said, comments, because this is stream only about the answer on your comments. Please share your email address. Okay, I will share my email address. How you can find my email address? Just go to the my video, open up this just give me a second, open up this one, and here don't where is my email? I forgot my email here. This is my mistake. Okay, I will give you my email address. Here is my email. Just give me a second. So I just writing my email. I'm sorry guys, just one second, because I'm trying to now answer for all the questions. If you have questions, please leave it below the video, and I'll try to answer right now. Okay, so here is my email. Okay, use it. The next questions, thanks. Please share email. Okay, how we can get free high quality family blocks? Please send us a trusted site to the downloaded from. Yeah. This is really nice question, because in few weeks I will share with you one site where you will get the nice families for free. Just give me like few weeks, and I will post you. I will introduce you that site, because this is that site. It's actually mine one. It's not still finished, and there you will get really nice families from me without any bad parameters, without any mistakes. So there will be only nice families. Just few weeks and you will get it. Okay, nice. But right now you can get it. I don't know where. BIM-object is not nice. It's not nice platform, because they're posting everyone own families without any service. How to say it? Without any checking the family, because sometimes there we have like Chinese writing. Sometimes we have Spanish, French, English, Russians, and it's really hard to understand what's going on inside the family. I understand you. Does the Revit have any plugins? Yes, Revit have the plugins, a lot of the plugins. You can see right now on my screen. I have, for example, my own plugins here under the add-ins. I have the Twin Motion plugin. I have my own plugins from my last company. I have like Lumen plugin, and I also have the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. This is actually the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. We changed it a bit from my previous company. About the plugins, you can find the video on my channel too. If you will go to my channel, you will find about the plugins. Just give me a second, I will show you. Video about the plugins. Where is about the plugins? Here somewhere about the plugins. Here, top 10 plugins in Revit. Just type it and you will find 10 top plugins what you must use. When I import the new families from the BIM-object, I have constraint problems. What is this? I cannot say like this what the problem is. It is because I need to see the family first. Can you send me that family what you are using? I will try to check it out, and I will tell you exactly what's going on with your family. Okay, because now it will be only the guess. It's not will be right. It's not will be the answer on your question. Okay, just send me by email your family and part of your project. I will try understand what's going on. Okay, so any questions? So I like it when you will answer me, when you will ask me a lot of the questions. Really, I like it because I'm trying to answer on all your questions. And as you can see, now we get some oh, so many. Oh, a lot of the people now using my chat in the Telegram, as you can see. Some people already joined my chat, so nice. You can join my chat and ask any questions here, and we will try answer, and you need go to the stream. Okay, so the next questions. BIM based project explain. BIM based project explain. I cannot read your name actually. Dhan Raj. What you mean actually? BIM based project explain. You want to understand on the what BIM based for, or what actually? So leave the comments and I'll try to answer on it. Just guys, give me just few seconds, okay? I will drink the water because now my neck it's really crushed. Oh, it's really nice. If you just join my stream, as I said, find the link. You can download this project and you can get free access for my course. Don't be shy. If you don't know how to do that, let me know. I will try to show you on live how to do that. I think it will help you enough. Okay. So till you're not asking me something, I will try to ask you one more question. Guys, what the type of the tutorials do you like? You like the when I'm speaking or when I'm showing something? Do you want to see the real projects? Do you want to see, for example, new ways of how to use Revit? Do you really like, for example, the meshing model in Revit? What really you like in my channel and what you want to see on my channel? Because sometimes I think I'm doing what you don't want. And I want to get some connections with you to understand what you really like from my channel and where I should concentrate my time. Okay. Oh, Alberta, you also now subscribe to my Instagram. Thank you so much. By the way, I have my own Instagram, but actually there are not a lot of the people, and I'm posting there not so often some like nice 3D from the Revit. I'm posting there only sometimes. Okay, so any questions? Do you have any questions, guys? I will give you like in maybe 5 minutes, and if you not will have any questions, maybe I will finish, as I said, this stream. So, by the way, if you should go somewhere, if you cannot watch my stream, you can see it later on. I'm okay with that. But if you have the questions and if you wanna get answer right now, just let me know. Okay, someone is already trying to get connections in LinkedIn. So if you wanna add me in LinkedIn, so here is my name and my family, you can add me in LinkedIn too. Perfect, would be both of them. Short video about Revit mistakes and example. Okay, I mean, I will do that. So deal. So I will do. How can I make money by learning Revit? How you can make money by learning Revit? You mean you wanna make some tutorials and make money? Forget about that. Only one guy doing the money for these tutorials. This I think you know what I'm about, who I'm speaking right now. What? Only one guy doing that. If you want to get money from the Revit, so you can go, for example, on this site. I will show you one site. People for hour. I forget already. People for hour, if I not forget the site. Yeah. There you can get the money from the Revit projects. Just go there, register it. Write a short story about you, who you are, what are you doing, how much you want for the project, for example, how much you want from the project. After that, write the Revit for example, I want to get here the Revit expert. Just few seconds. Sometimes I'm getting the project from this site, so maybe you will get some project also from the people per hour. And as you can see, there's someone from the India, Abdul, want £40 or 40 euro to provide any works with Revit. So if you will post somewhere some your project here, you can get the money. Try, maybe you will lucky enough to get the projects. Try it. Okay, what is BIM? Please explain. Okay, BIM, this is 3D model with a lot of information of your elements. That's it. So why this is important? Because when you draw your project by only on 2D, for example, like in AutoCAD, you cannot get information from this the lines. But from the BIM you can get the information. You just select your element, and here you can put all the information what you want, not only this position. You can add here a lot of the parameters. For example, what the type of the material, working zone of this chair, for example, where is this chair, the height of this chair, where you can buy this chair. The BIM is all about information. So we can say this is element with a lot of information. The information, this is money. If you have a lot of enough information of the each element, you have a lot of the money. So we can say like that. Your client interesting only the money. That's why they interesting the BIM model. So this is simple explain what is that BIM. Actually, BIM it's a really huge topic, and I don't have really enough the time maybe to explain you what is that, because maybe even me not on the 100% understand what is that BIM. Yes, I'm working like BIM manager, but as you know, you will never be professional enough if you will stop learn something. Why do we have to learn programming? And do you prefer Python or I prefer C#? I prefer C# and I prefer C++. Python, yeah, the nice language, but it's not my time now for the Python. Maybe later on I will try to learn the Python. It's not so hard enough, but the C# for the Revit, it's the main one. Why? Because the Revit working on this Revit based on the C# language. That's why. Can we use the BIM in building Zaha Hadid if you work in the Grasshopper and Run, because I use hard time? Yes, we can use the Grasshopper to create some building like Zaha Hadid. But don't forget, Zaha Hadid buildings, I mean all the Zaha Hadid buildings, it's not so simple enough. So I will spend really a lot of the times and a lot of the parameters. Yes, I can do that, but I don't think so you will interesting to see how I, for example, calculating. Yes, I can, maybe I can do one tutorial about that. Why not? So let me I will try to do that, and maybe you will find this really interesting. Maybe not. So who knows? We should try it. Later on I will try to do that. Okay, deal? So I mean I will do one tutorial about that. How can we get free high quality family blocks? I think I already answered on these questions. You cannot get free high quality Revit blocks right now, because each company have own one families. For example, my company have own one families. The other one have the different type of the families. You should create your own one. We don't the high quality families. This also the question. The word it's have two meanings. You know why? Because for example, for the one company, my families it's perfect. For the other company, my families it's trash, because they don't using that parameters what I'm using. That's the reason. we didn't have the word nice high quality family right now, because we don't have the standards. Standards, I mean, from the industry. If I wanted to design something like a small city explain, if you want to design the small city, you should use Civil 3D. Civil 3D is about the plan, about the like large scale projects. You need 3 programs. You need Civil 3D, and you need InfraWorks. So these two programs will help you to create the plan. I will show you by images. As you can see, you can create the bridges, you can create the roads, you can create some under the soil, for example, supplies, I don't know, like the water systems, whatever you want. This is what about the Civil 3D. What about the InfraWorks? InfraWorks is about the modeling, as you can see. You can get real model and you can place, for example, some building on the site. So these two programs will help you to create a really nice plan of your small city. Next question. What time to take complete Revit course? What time? So if you want buy complete course in Revit, you should do only when you will understand that you need, because sometimes people trying to get really professional courses, but they still don't know how to use, for example, modify elements in Revit. So once you will be professional to draw, for example, plan like this, try to get complete professional course. Okay. Oh, so many questions. So is it helping you or no? I mean, my answers on your questions, because I really not afraid. I really worried about that. Okay, guys. Maybe a few questions more, and we will finish, because it's already I am streaming already 1.5 hours. I think you are already tired from that, and yeah, you should relax too. If you want to get the more answer on your questions, join my group on in Telegram. Or you can answer it under the comments in any video, because I'm answering on your video. It should help. I hope so. It should help. So, and yes, if you want some advice from me, first advice, guys, don't be shy to ask any questions. Okay, doesn't matter, Revit, not Revit, in life. Because when you're not asking the questions, for example, the people thinking like you understand, but don't be shy to ask really if you don't know, because everyone will help you. Okay? Oh, do you like something? Do like and yeah, thank you, guys. Oh, here, as you can see here, a lot of the people want to join my I mean, want to get connections from the LinkedIn. So if you want, you can get it too. So go ahead and let's be friends, and maybe we will try to share with you together, I mean, some information. Okay, guys, I think that's it today. This was nice, really stream. Thank you so much. Really, thank you so much for all of you. If you just join, as I said, my stream, you go up to my comments. You will find the links for the how to get free project, how to get free access key to the my course, and use it. The next stream will be only the next. I think it will be on the next year. Let me see when it will be. Maybe it will be on this for January, but I'm not sure. Please make tutorial of parametric facade and families with if. Okay, so if this if statement, okay, I will do that. And my last tutorial will be tomorrow, and after that I'm going to the holidays, and we will see each other only on the next year. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Don't forget, always hit button like and comment all my videos. I know it's really hard for you, but sometimes it will be help to me. Okay, so Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, as I said, and see you in the next year. So bye bye. I think Happy New Year again. Bye.